Welcome to this Microagent guide where I will be covering the steps needed to get you started, including installing the Microagent Python package on your system and setting it up. A microagent is a software program being able to interact with other programs to achieve specific goals. Microagents are designed to be intelligent, adaptable, and autonomous, meaning they can take decisions or perform actions without the need of human intervention. To create a microagent, you first need to satisfy some initial system requirements, such as having Python at least version 3.8 on your system, having pip installed on your system, as well as having a virtual environment like Poetry or pipenv. A virtual environment is a way to create an isolated environment for a Python project, so that the Python project dependencies and packages do not conflict with other Python projects on the same system. Once these system requirements are being satisfied, you will be ready to go on with the installation process. First of all, we need to create a specific directory for our project, which will contain all of the scripts we need to create. Let's create a directory named Microagents Examples. Then we need to enter it. Once we enter it, we need to create and activate the virtual environment. Now we can proceed with the installation of the Microagent package on our system. Now we can proceed with checking if the package has been successfully installed. As you can see, our package has been successfully installed, and now installation is complete and you are ready to create your first microagent.